Phil from parkerlings.com. I do hope you find you well today. Now today is going to be sweet potato unveiling day. Yep, it's been quite some time coming. In fact, sweet potatoes generally we're looking at 140 days from the point of planting the slips to them being ready to pick up. Now, because of our weather not being as good as last year, I've left them in there for around about 160. Last year, lovely hot weather, the hottest we've had for quite some time. And this year, not so great. We had some warm, a lot of rain, and basically I've just been living in hope. Now last year, what we ended up with was just a few little things that look like mini baby carrots. So basically, pretty much nothing. So here we go. Let's delve in and see if we've got pretty much nothing or if we've actually got some decent sweet potatoes. So here's a potato grow bag. You can see I've taken out a lot of compost from it. You can see here these are the slips I was talking about. They've got the leaves now which are all died off. But now that's what they were like, but obviously they were darker than that and nice and healthy. There were lots of them all the way up. But I've been tidying up so you won't see much in there now. So what I'm going to do is take all of these up, so it's just the roots that are remaining, and then I'll dig up everything else. So let's just take these out. Well, I don't know what that's supposed to be, but I don't know if that's one maybe. If it is, it's not particularly great. Let's put that to the side then, shall we, for now. Go back in again. Pull these out. That's certainly nothing to be interested in. Yeah, there's not a great deal happening here. Yeah, I don't think much is happening with them. Oh, well, there's one good thing my garden can enjoy. Little worm. I'll have to put him in the garden. So let's just put him down in here. Yeah, looking in there. That's just absolutely nothing. Okay, so I'm going to finish this bag and then just go to the next one. Here we are at bag number 2. Now I do apologise, but someone's making a little noise in the background. But it's too cold to stop and let him finish, so let's get this all done, dusted. Now, let's see what happens. So I'm going to start taking this out. I've got my bin to the left of me here. I'm just going to yank these out of the way. Oh, look at that. That's one. Oh, it's still going on. There we go, look at that. Tiny. This off. There we go. Tiniest little things. I'll put that to the side. I'll show Sandy our amazing, amazing things. Under here. Ooh, what's this? Don't tell me this is actually just from the run of beans, not what I thought it was. Yeah, that's cheer off the beans. Look at me being so happy about something. It's a big old failure, really. So let's just put that to the side, shall we? I'll say I wouldn't be disappointed if I didn't get anything, but the disappointment comes in when you do think you're going to get something, and then it turns out that that something is actually nothing. But let's keep going. Okay, I think this might be a good idea now to put this on a fast forward, because this is going to take me some time. So bear with. Well, it's not turned out very well for me today, but it's one good thing. My little friend Robin. Here you again, Robin. Hello. How's me Robin doing? Always absolutely gorgeous. Going around and seeing me all over the place, huh? Getting closer. And further away. Okay, so with that note, let's see what have we got. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, not quite dinner, is it? I'm not sure I can look on Pinterest for a recipe for approximately 15 titchy tiny sweet potatoes, but the star of the show, this little thing, it's definitely the star of the show. But yeah, there we go. So as I say, I didn't expect much. That's the biggest one there, and give you an idea of how big that is. I've got fairly large hands, but there you go. Yeah, it's about a hand and a half, but as you can see, it's very, very thin. So with that rather sad display, I am going to leave you with one little thing. My little meerkat. I think even the meerkat's decided to turn itself off of the sweet potatoes. I think it's just about to go back in rather than out. Ugh. Yeah, let's go back to this meerkat. So this guy, we both bid you a lovely day, and I hope a more productive sweet potato day for you. Okay, God bless. Bye bye.